Hello friends, welcome to Tech Study Cell. In this video, we will make top 555 timer projects. ये वीडियो हिंदी और बांग्ला में देखने के लिए just go to setting, audio track, then select your language. During the video, I will share the complete circuit, PCB layout for each project. So if required, you can also make the circuit on a homemade PCB. And you can also download all the details related to the project from the video description. So after watching the video, anyone can make this project. So without any further delay, let's get started. First we will make the toggle switch using 555 timer IC, and these are the required components. Here we will make the complete circuit on the breadboard as per this circuit diagram. Now if I press the button once, the LED will turn on. If I press it again, the LED will turn off. If you want, you can also connect a relay with this circuit to control any AC appliances. Now here you can see I have connected this relay, and now I will control this bulb with this push button. Now to avoid any loose connection, I always recommend you to design PCB. For that you can refer this circuit. This video is sponsored by Altium, a world-class PCB design software trusted by many of the biggest electronic companies. The user interface is so simple, you can easily design any complex PCB in Altium. It brings together PCB design, MCAD, data management and teamwork. It also provides centralized cloud storage, automatic backup and many more powerful features. And if you are a student, you can also enroll Altium Student Lab for free to get access Altium software and online PCB design courses. After completing the course, you will also receive a certificate of completion from Altium. There are many other key benefits, so I highly recommend checking out the Altium Student Lab. You will find a link in the description. Just enroll using your university email ID. It's a great opportunity for students and a great initiative from Altium to help you grow your skill in electronics design. In the next project, we will make a very useful delay timer using 555 timer IC. So these are the required components for this project, and you have to connect all these components as per this circuit diagram. And here you can see I have made the complete circuit on a homemade PCB. You just have to download the PCB layout from the video description, print it on a A4 page, then paste the layout on a plastic sheet. In this way you can easily place the component and connect it according to the circuit. Now here to change the delay time, you can connect a potentiometer, then you can adjust the delay. But if you want specific delay like 11 seconds, 2 minutes, then you can also use fixed resistor. First we will connect a 10k resistor, and as per the calculation you can see delay should be 11 seconds. After that we will use 100k resistor to achieve 2-minute delay. So with this formula you can also calculate the resistor value as per the required delay time. Next we will make the LED dimmer circuit using 555 timer IC. You can also control the motor speed using the same circuit. For this project, these are the required components, and you have to connect all these components as per this circuit diagram. So here you can see first I have made the complete circuit on the breadboard, and I can easily control the LED brightness by rotating the trimmer. Now if you want, you can also make this homemade PCB with this PCB layout. And now let me control the motor speed with the potentiometer. So this is a very useful circuit. It uses PWM to control brightness or speed. Next we will make a very useful automatic water pump switch using 555 timer IC. For that, these are the required components, and you have to connect all these components as per this circuit diagram. Now in the circuit you can also add dry run protection if you have underground tank. So if there is no water in the underground tank, the pump will automatically stop. Here you can see this is our circuit, and this is the overhead tank, and this is underground tank. For demonstration, I have used a small aquarium pump, but as I have used 30 ampere relay, so you can control most of the pump. Currently the circuit is in manual mode, so if I turn the switch on, the pump will start. Now if I turn it off, the pump will stop. Now to go to auto mode, I have to turn on the switch. Now it is in auto mode, and as the water level is below this red wire, so the pump started. Now during this time when the pump is running, if there is no water in the underground tank, let me pull this green wire from the underground tank. You can see the pump turn off. So it will always check the water level in the underground tank. Now let me place this wire inside the underground tank. Pump started automatically. Now for any reason, if you want to turn off this pump, you can always use this switch as an emergency stop. You can see the pump turn off. If I turn it on, the pump started again. So it has also an emergency stop. Now the pump will stop whenever the water level touches the red wire. So let me fast forward this video. You can see the pump automatically turns off as the water level touches this red wire. Now let me reduce the water level from the overhead tank, and the pump will automatically start when the water level drop down below this green wire. You can see whenever the water level drop down below this green wire, the pump started automatically. So this is a very useful project. Next we will make the dual flashing LED circuit using 555 timer, and for that these are the required components, and you have to connect all these components as per this circuit diagram. So our circuit is ready, and you can change the flashing rate by changing the capacitor. If I increase the capacitance value, flashing rate will decrease. Next we will make the LED chaser circuit, and for that these are the required components. In the circuit you also need CD4017 IC with 555 timer IC. Now here you can see, to avoid any loose connection, I have made the complete circuit on the homemade PCB. Again, you can download the PCB layout from the description. Now by rotating the potentiometer, I can easily adjust the speed of LED chaser. So this is also a very useful project. Hope you have enjoyed this video. As I said, you can find all the details in the description. Please let me know in the comment section which one is the best 555 timer project. Also let me know if you want me to make any other 555 timer project. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.